This particular one happens to be pumpkin. You'll notice there's actually a pumpkin growing there. Okay? And maybe later this semester we'll have a pumpkin chunking contest. Right, anybody watch that on
like
Discovery Channel? Yeah.
No, I didn't watch anything.
All right. First thing, notice the foliage. It'll be sort of tri-lobed to sometimes 5 lobes, just depending upon the particular maturity of the foliage. Very soft, but it's also got a hispid feel to it as well. Okay. And all this has been affected by some insects and some stuff. And that's why these specks are here.
So those specks aren't normal?
Not typical, although insects are typical.
Normal.
Yeah, so yes.
And
it
means like rough?
Yeah, rough, sorry. So you can almost hear it if you, it's either my skin or the foliage, maybe a little mixture of both. Okay, secondly, once you rub the foliage, you should smell it. It's kind of got like a bitter bell peppery type smell to it. Okay. Then once you get to that point, flowers. Do we have any open? No, but they're this sort of yellowish, light orangish yellow. Okay, always. Now there are a few of the gourds, I suppose, that have white flowers, but typically this is the color that we see. Okay. On all the pumpkins and everything, squash. This flower opens up, all right, you got a 5-petal flower, and I wish there was one open. I think there might be some out here. A nice 5-petal flower that is relatively flimsy, I guess. Okay. And then, again, you have tendrils that occur from the buds. Okay. And these tendrils, they mean business, all right, so if you get them mixed up in other foliage or in other pieces of the plant or whatever, they'll wrap around anything. It just doesn't matter.
So this is how it climbs?
Yes. Okay. Now pumpkins, you don't want them to climb so much because pumpkins will get so large that they'll break the stem, right? So you want to make sure you keep these on closer to the ground. These will be more of a ground cover like foliage, but a lot of the gourds and things you can afford. In fact, they're better off if they climb. And obviously, the pumpkin, squash, gourds, the loofah sponges and things like that people think of, they're not actually Cucurbita, I don't think. They're actually different species, genus. But another interesting point, does anybody actually know what a pumpkin is? Botanically, it's a berry.
Oh.
Yep, there you go. All right, so look for those, sort of 3-lobe, 5-lobe, hispid foliage. Sometimes the pubescence is so stiff toward the leaf that it actually hurts if you touch it. All right, so and realize that there's pubescence all up and down the stems and the foliage and all over the place. Okay. Questions?